This is our ticketing system called Spiceworks. This is how we electronically manage and document work performed on our open tickets. And open tickets is a device that needs to be repaired. You'll have a separate assignment on this because it is important, but for now I'll quickly introduce Spiceworks. There will always be a tab open on the TSI workstation. Make sure that you're in Help Desk and looking at open tickets. So you see right now, I am at Help Desk and it has to say open tickets. If I go somewhere else, like say closed tickets, these are the tickets that we don't use. They're closed, they're done. So you have to make sure that you're at the Help Desk and to go to open tickets if it's not on open tickets. You'll notice that these are all open tickets. We call them open tickets because they either need to be repaired or have been repaired and need to be picked up. We never close a ticket until a student device is repaired. We update and document the repairs and the student picks up their device and returns the loaner device and or charger. Let's show you a couple details in Spiceworks. Your next assignment will cover these in more detail. I'm going to click on one open ticket. Let's say this one, okay? Notice that there's a number on the left, the far left. This is the ticket number and is always assigned with the repairs for documentation purposes. Notice the summary is visible, cues us in the larger issue with the device, which is, let's say here, it says not charging. Notice the creator, which is the student who the device belongs to, which is right here. That's the creator, which is Just Bowling Web. Notice the category which is noted where this is a repair, help desk ticket, or lost Chromebook. Most of the Spiceworks tickets will be repairs, and here it says it is a repair. The TSI Chromebook workstation and its related workflow is the hub or center to the TSI class. It is a part of what we do and how the TSI course collaboration with our IT department and helps us to stay efficient, organized, and consistent with our processes. As a TSI intern, remember to stay calm. Don't panic when are too many people at the Genius Bar. When using forms or other tools, always check that you'll fill out everything properly. This is the key skill to know in this class because you'll be using it daily.